I know I said I wanted to replay previous session first, but I won't have much time for the recording, so maybe let's quickly review what happened the day before without the replay. So we opened below, and well, in value we tested lower in the first two periods. This might have been a good buying opportunity, but I wish it would be lower, so probably no trade there. If I had some major bullish bias, I might be buying, but then stop loss would have to be way lower, because we could easily trade below, or if we treat this as a success low, then maybe below here, and then if we build acceptance, then the trade idea isn't valid, because the idea was to trade higher. Well, I'm not sure about that. Again, later on, when we broke higher, I'm not sure if I would be getting long here, because then we would be back inside value. Hard to trade that. Maybe some short attempts here, but again, pretty large amount of single prints, so I don't like that, because we can easily make a double distribution day. So probably no short here for me. And later we had some rally high, pullback low, and here I'm not sure. It was very shallow, but we couldn't get back within previous day. So we did in 3 periods, but it was too shallow. So I think I wouldn't execute there. I didn't trade yesterday, so by the way. And later on we traded to those exact levels in multiple periods. So I'm not sure if later in the day this could have been short either. But we've built value higher, point of control migrated higher, so I don't like shorting that much here. And now looking for overnight, we are trading a little bit lower now, back within previous day's range, so this might be a good buying opportunity. But again, where would you like to put your stops? Well, we did clear those levels, so this is quite positive. Maybe below 84. So and to traverse back to 95, so it's like 7 points with a stop of 4 points. So yeah, quite good risk to reward. I think I will be getting this trade, but I have to check on some lower intervals. How does it look like? So what can we expect for today's session? We are getting back into those single prints from Friday, so we might build some acceptance there, but let's assume that we open around this level. So first we're going to open within value, and that favors rotational trading. I marked those levels, and those are the distributions that we have for previous day. So first, I think some reaction we might find. If we trade lower, we might find some reaction here, and this would be my first buying opportunity. Second one would be around this area, so Mondays or Tuesday's highs, this pullback low and single prints. Ideally, if we could make some shallow look below and fail into those single prints, then I would like to buy. So either here or here would be my first buying opportunities if we traverse into value. But if we make an early week attempt lower that clears the overnight lows and then move higher, because overnight inventory is long, so we expect some correction early on. But if that doesn't happen, we might see some push higher into this area. So we might see some initial weak attempt lower, like an open drive or open test drive. So this would be my another scenario to get long. Alternatively, where to get short? Well, if we do revisit point of control of the overnight and then fail, get back within yesterday's range, then here would be a good shorting opportunity to traverse back at least to this range and volume point of control, and maybe lower. So we will see. I think that we might even see those ranges, because we are making those profiles. That first two were P-shaped, and the other one is, well, it is a multiple distribution to the upside, so a little bit better, but also not. It doesn't look that much like new money buying. Like it is more like weaker traders. Weaker, lower time frame. So we might see some bigger downside. I am slightly biased that if we start selling, we might sell off more. So here tight stops would be, I have to be prudent about trading there. So another buying opportunity would be singles that are here. Let's erase that. So yeah, if we have a look below and fail into this range, I think that we might get a nice rebound higher, and below that I'm not sure. Maybe again here, but then it would be like 6,004. It would be like 90 points day, so to the downside, and almost an outside day down. So not sure about that. Maybe not worth it. So preferably it would be if we make some acceptance higher, like something like that. So we build acceptance above this lower distribution from previous day, maybe within this or higher into the single prints from Friday.